Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to just go into how to get funded as a forex trader, how to get a funded trading account as a forex trader, because we know sometimes we want to trade, we feel we are a very good trader, but the whole thing that is holding us back is that we don't have enough funds to trade with. So one way of doing that, raising capital for trading, is to get a funded trading account. So how do you go about getting a funded trading account? So the first thing that you probably want to focus on is understanding prop firms. They are called proprietary trading firms. The shortcut is prop firms. You hear people saying prop firm, prop firm, prop firm. There are companies that are out there that are willing to give you money for trading, as long as you can prove that what you are a good trader. They are willing to give you all the capital that you need for your trading, as long as you can prove that you are a good trader. But every company is different, so that's why I'm saying you need to research prop firms and find the one that suits you as a trader, the kind of trader that you are, because every prop firm will have its own set of rules, its own trading platforms, profit sharing structures. So you need to choose a prop firm that suits you as a trader, your trading style, your trading strategies, and how you trade. Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? And things like that. So that's the first thing. Research prop firms, understand the right prop firm for you. There are most popular prop firms. I think it's usually FTMO. They can offer trading capital of up to $200,000 US dollars, depending on the kind of challenge that you would have passed. There is also MyForex funds. There is Top Step FX. There are a lot. So it's just a matter of doing your research and deciding on the particular prop firm that suits your trading. And some of these prop firms also don't just offer forex trading. Some of them actually also offer things like stocks, commodities, trading in crypto. So if you're a crypto trader, you can actually also go to certain prop firms and they will fund you for trading crypto. So research these prop firms. Now we come to the most crucial part, which is passing the evaluation. This is where things get hard or easier for some people. For some people it becomes hard. Again, leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. If you've taken prop firm challenges, how did you find them? Let's help one another. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please just leave a like, leave your comments. If you're looking for a reliable forex broker, you can deposit as minimum as $5, $10 to start trading. See the links in the description box below. So the first thing that you need after researching your prop firms, and you found maybe a prop firm that is promising, the crucial step is passing the evaluation. This is what's going to make you or break you, because these guys, before they give you their $200,000, you need to prove to them that you know what you are doing. You treat it as an interview. Treat it as an interview. But instead of you standing in front of them and saying, hey, I know how to trade, I know how to trade, I know how to do this, do that, and stuff like that, you actually need to show them. That's the evaluations. Unfortunately, most of the evaluations are not for free. To take the evaluation, which is like an interview or a test, you actually need, some of them, I think it's $30, some of them $300. It depends on the amount of money that you want to get from the prop firm. So you actually are charged for this evaluation, so you actually need to take them seriously. Now, most prop firms will actually require you to achieve a certain profit target within a set period. For example, they want you to grow an account 10% within 30 days. That's how you're going to pass that evaluation. Sometimes they also want you to adhere to certain risk management rules. Typically, maybe daily drawdown limits, e.g., you cannot lose more than 5% of the trading account per day. The moment you lose more than 5% a day, you've lost the challenge. The moment you don't reach 10% profit within 30 days, you have lost the challenge. It depends on the whatever evaluation that you are taking, as well as the prop firm that you are taking the evaluation with. Drawdown. Sometimes they will tell you you cannot lose more than 10% of the total account. The moment you go 11% of the total account, you have failed the challenge. Then also some prop firms, they are big on consistency. Sometimes you are just lucky. And you, in one or two trades, you reach your targets. Some trade firms, they actually tell you you cannot pass this this challenge evaluation challenge in 2 days or a week. They want you to do the challenge maybe for 30 days, because they really want to see the consistency. Sometimes people get lucky and boom boom boom, but because these guys are going to give you their money, they want you to show consistency. After passing the evaluation challenges, that's where now you are actually admitted into the prop firm, and they actually give you what? They actually give you the funds that you can trade with. Now here it's going to be interesting, because the different prop firms now will give you different profit sharing structures. So some of them will say, hey, we are going to split it 70-30, or some of them are actually good. They will tell you we are going to split it 90-10. What it means is, whatever profit you are going to make from the amount of money that they are going to give you, you get to keep 70% of the profit, and they only take 30% of that profit. Or you get to keep 90% of that profit, and they get to keep only 10% of that profit. So look at the profit structures of these prop firms before you also join them. And also scaling. Some of the prop firms also offer scaling options. If you're a good trader and you pass the $10 funded account, and you are doing good, you are making money with that $10,000, they can also offer you an option to scale up. Maybe this time they offer you $50,000. And if you're good with that, you are growing that $50,000, you are making money for yourself, for them, they can offer you $200,000. And they offer you $1 million, depending on how you are actually trading. So you can also look at the scaling options with these prop firms. So the important thing also that you just need to maintain, if you manage to get a prop firm trading account, is what I've seen people also messing up is lacking discipline. Once you have been funded by these companies or by somebody else's money, it's somebody else's money. You need to stay disciplined. Sometimes people, they pass the challenges, they get funded, then they think they are the shit. Sorry for me to use that word. They think they are it, and they become undisciplined. Because all this money is just rolling in. The money is coming in, life is good, and they are rolling in. Then they start becoming reckless. And that's how people lose the prop firm accounts, and they lose their funding. So stay disciplined. Don't let emotions drive your trading decisions. Stick to your strategy, the strategy that got you the funding. Stick with it. Risk management, whatever you were doing that got you the funding, stick with it. and try as much as you can to consistently grow the account so that you get also more funding, scaling up that trading account. That's my I hope my 2 cents on that. If I left something out, leave it in the comment section below. Guys, have a good one. Bye.